The Airless paint sprayer hose set comes with a comprehensive kit that includes a 50-foot hose, an airless spray gun, 5 reversible nozzles, and 3 sprayer head extensions, making it highly versatile for various painting tasks. Constructed from durable materials such as stainless steel, tungsten carbide, metal, plastic, and aluminum, this set ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. The design of the spray gun is ergonomic, featuring an anti-skid and anti-sweat pattern, which enhances grip and control, allowing for more precise and even paint application. Installation and operation are straightforward, requiring simple steps to secure the nozzle and tip guard, minimizing effort and preventing paint leakage. This paint sprayer hose kit is suitable for a wide range of applications, including house painting, exterior walls, wooden furniture, and industrial projects, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. With its easy-to-use features and high-quality components, this paint sprayer set simplifies surface preparation, coating application, and post-coating cleanup.